Hey everyone, it's me here, Kimmel, back here with another video. I'm in my little workspace here, sitting on my workbench, and I want to talk to you about pipe vices. This right here is a picture of a traditional plumber's pipe vise. It is bench mounted, and it will hold the pipe securely while the plumber works on it. We also have another version of pipe vise, and this uses a chain over the pipe to hold the pipe securely. Also bench mounted. Now right here we have something that I believe is new. At least I've never seen it before. It is a Bigfoot. That's what they're calling this, the Bigfoot pipe vise. It's American made, and you should go to the website pipevise.com and check out the products. They appear to be very good quality. And I would buy one of these if I were in the building trade, still doing kitchen and bathroom remodeling. I would buy one of these because I tended to buy any tools that could save me time and frustration, and this certainly looks like the tool for that. It is portable. I need to make that clear. This is not a bench-mounted tool. It's portable. It can be bench mounted, but the point is it's portable. I can't justify buying one of these Bigfoot pipe wrenches, pipe vices, I should say, but that design intrigued me and I could use it every so often, so I decided to make my own. This is it right here. This is my wrench pipe vise. Wrench, yeah, it's a pipe vise made out of a wrench. It's a 12-inch crescent wrench in here, okay? We're going to find out how this works, and we're going to really put it through the paces here. And I might be embarrassed. It might not work the way I hope and think it will work. But let me just explain that the wrench cost me 25 bucks on Amazon. The base is plywood. All the rest of the wood is pine. I'll show close-up pictures of this at the end of this video if you're interested in making one. I don't have plans. I don't have specifications. I think you can figure it out. It took me a couple hours to make this, not including the painting. It took a couple of hours because I was kind of designing as I went. You can figure it out probably in less than 2 hours and make one. This crescent 12-inch spring-loaded jaws, spring-loaded, has a hole right here. And that hole was part of the reason that I decided to buy this, because I have a piece of 1/2-inch conduit that fits just right in that hole. Okay, fits just right, and that allows me to pin it into this platform base holder, and it will pivot. Okay, there we go. It will pivot, and I could pick it up and carry it like this. I'm kind of grasping the sides, so it's portable. Portable. That's the story on that. Now I will tell you that I am disappointed in this wrench even before I put it to use, because it has a warp in the handle. It's a crescent. That's a good name in tools, or maybe I should say it used to be a good name in tools, because it used to be an American-made tool company. Now it's made in China. I'm not impressed with this, the quality of this tool in the handle. It's off a full 1/4 of an inch. It's got a 1/4 inch curve or warp to it. And you know, it's a quality issue that bugs me, but it doesn't have any effect on the usefulness of the tool. I will say that. These are nipples and a shutoff that I want to take apart. Took these out of the house that we're having demolished. I'm a person who saves scrap metal. I've done it all my life, you know, since I was a teenager. This is spring-loaded, okay, and this is only 1/2-inch pipe. So here we go. Okay, that's working. And we can just turn the pipe. We don't have to take and reposition our wrench. We can just turn the pipe like this, okay, and get that off of there. Yeah, nice. Well, it worked. I knew it would work because I already did one here. This I will take apart. This is not brass. This is, the body of this is brass, and I'll also get in there and pull out the, there's O-rings and plastic seats in there, which I'll remove, and I'll put it in my brass pail right there. Here's another one. I'll do that later, but the real test is right here. Look at this. You see that? Oh my goodness. That is probably 50 years old. I chopped it out of the basement in this in that modular house we're going to tear out. And what's the best way to do this? Maybe like this. Yeah, this is 3/4 inch pipe, and it will clamp onto that. And I will get a pipe wrench and see if I can crank that off. Alrighty, so here's a good sized pipe wrench, and it ought to do the job if the vise, the pipe vise here will hold it. Now let's see, we'll get like this. We'll get like, whoa. This is not rehearsed, not rehearsed. We'll come over here, get the pipe wrench on there. You got to get it adjusted just right. We'll get up close here. Okay, we're getting a grip. Oh, come on. I don't think it's going to do it. I got to stand on something. About a paint can or two. Oh, there we go. Get some better leverage here. This is the real deal, folks. First time we'll really give it the test here. Okay. Man alive. All right. Let's see if we can clamp that in there. Okay. And then we will take this, dial it down, give that a try. Look at that, it's coming. Well, my little homemade pipe vise didn't let me down. We're getting this thing. Awesome. I am very pleased with that. Look at that. Yuck. Very nice. Well, it passed the test. I would say it passed the test. Doesn't appear to be any worse for wear. And yeah, shoot, that's impressive. Oh, I lost my pivot. That could be held in there securely with a couple of screws. I think I will finish up by giving you some specification details. Right here, Right here, I have put the screws in, okay, to hold that conduit pivot from falling out. Pretty simple. And the base is 6 3/4. Yeah, 6 3/4 by 16. It's 3/4 inch plywood right there. I primed this with aluminum paint. You can see it on my bench. Then an enamel red. The piece of plywood right here is scooped out and long so I could get 3 screws in it for stability with glue, but it's scooped out so that that jaw will open all the way. That's it. So I'm going to show you a series of photographs in my light booth to give you more close-up details. Well, I got to say, I am absolutely delighted that this homemade whiz-bang pipe vise worked as well as it did on that rusty old galvanized fitting. It's going to do the job. So I got one last thing. The most use this is going to get is taking apart old plumbing pieces where I'm saving the scrap for metal, okay, the brass. And I got a challenge here. Now we're going to go for the big one right here, but not in this video. If this thing could handle that galvanized pipe that was so hard, it's going to help me take this apart, no problem. Thanks for watching, everybody.